criticized the Migori County government leadership over what he describes as the deliberate refusal to facilitate all the necessary processes required for the construction of modern market recently launched by President William Ruto. According to Magwe, the county leadership has failed to provide the support needed to kickstart the project, raising concern among the residents who had hoped the market would boost local trade and improve livelihoods in the region.
You can imagine, wakati president alikuwa anakuja kulaunch hiyo project hapa, the government walishindwa ya Migori County kutengeneza space yenye hiyo modern market itakuja kulaunchiwa. Ikabidi mpaka wananchi wenyewe ndio walienda kuamua kuchukua uamuzi ya kubomoa VO6 ndiye space ipatikane. As we speak up to date, hiyo market ilikuwa launched 3 weeks, 1 month ago. Up to date, hakuna kazi imeanza kwa ground. And the reason kazi haijaanza kwa ground, kwa sababu Migori County government has refused in totality kupeana shamba kwa contractor. They have refused to hand over. So up to now, contractor ako kwa site, lakini ameshindwa space yenye atajenga nyumba.
The MCA also faulted the county government for failing to operationalize the Getonganya sweet potato factory and Karamu slaughterhouse. He argued that the delay in reviving the key economic projects is dragging the Kuria region behind economically, despite its huge agricultural potential.
We have spent over 100 million katika hapa Getonganya. Mbona hiyo kiwanda mpaka leo haifanyi? Kwa sababu pesa yenye inafaa kufanya kazi huko wana appropriate, tunaiweka kwa budget, alafu hiyo pesa wanachukua wanaweka kwa mifuko wanakula yote. So absolutely there's nothing he has done. There's a lot of money again was pumped at Karamu. It has again stalled. Hakuna kitu inaendelea huko.
On legislative matters, Magwe and are unable to freely speak or articulate issues affecting residents. He further accused the county assembly leadership of delaying debates on motions tabled by MCS, a move he says is frustrating effective representation and oversight.
You cannot censure a CEC or a governor on your own. You see, these things I've been speaking for the longest time alone, because the rest of my colleagues kazi wanafanya, wanajua kufanya mzuri ni kupiga makofi. Ulikuwa ukiongea tu kidogo, unatwangwa, unapigwa na goons, unatolewa kwa committee, hauwezi ongea. So he sold the fear to almost everybody. Majority of the MCAs in Migori County are from ODM, and they want re-election. And for them to be re-elected, they have to be nominated on the part of ODM. So they are all silenced. They could not speak. So that has been the problem, the undoing of Migori County Assembly. These guys could not question anything. For instance, right now, I have a motion that I have taken to the Speaker for approval. It has overstayed in the Speaker's, of course, desk for some time now.
The outspoken MCA has now called upon the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, and the DCI to investigate what he termed as rampant corruption within the county government. However, the Migori County government has dismissed the allegations. One of the administrators in the county, Lucas Mosenda, the county executive committee member in charge of agriculture, maintained that the county government is actively working towards reviving the Getonganya factory and the Karamu slaughterhouse.
Sasa hivi kuanzia kesho on Monday, procurement process inaanza, tupate mtu mwegezaji ambaye ataweza kuanzisha kiwanda pale, abana boyito banyoreho imirimo, abana abakurima boyito banyoreho isoko y'Imengo, abakuria tugenderi kwimokera tigo hebantu boyito.
Lennox Odede reporting for Ndizi TV Africa from Migori County.